Hello my lovely crafty friends, and here is my latest digital download kit, Autumn Kisses and Fairy Wishes, full of really lovely autumn palette and autumn loveliness. Pages can be used for journaling, fussy cutting, there's tags and other bits and bobs that you can use in your autumnal crafts. This can be downloaded from my Ko-fi shop, which is linked in the description below, and if you use the code at the end of this video you can get 10% off this kit. Don't forget to share your makes in my Facebook group, craftbeeclaire's crafting community. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy this kit. Don't forget to like, share, follow, hit the subscribe bell to help my channel grow. See you soon.